SNAP exam don't talk about this, but they're two separate things. SNAP exam is separate and the college application is separate. Yeah, what they're doing, they're trying to tell you to apply now only for the SNAP exam. But the colleges wise, if you go to the college site, they have told us a different date altogether. SNAP is saying November 28th is the last date for the application. SIBM is saying December 19th or December 15th is supposed the last date for the application. Okay, now what to do, what not to do, let's talk about that. Hi guys, a lot of students ask me about what is the last date for the SNAP exam, which colleges to apply. So SNAP test is one exam which is where you are applicable to apply for the 16 colleges together. So one application form for 16 colleges, 25 MBA programs and 94 test center. This is what they publish on their site snaptest.org. Okay, now let's check out the date first. The registration commences on 24th September, closes on 28th November. You have 1 day before the CAT exam to decide. And payment last way to pay the fees is 28. Admit card coming live on this and the SNAP date, announcement of result. Yeah, this is all the details of the SNAP exam. They're not talking about the colleges. Yeah, for SNAP colleges, you have to separately apply to each of the college. If you remember CAT ka form, we tick mark everything. I made a video also and said tick mark everything because everything is free. Here, if you tick mark all these colleges, so all these 16 colleges, you have to pay 16,000 rupees because 1,000 rupees is the fees for per college. So of course, I'm not that rich to apply all of them. Plus, I don't need to apply for all of them. Okay, so these colleges we are going to apply as per their ranking. SIBM Pune is number 1 rank. SMHRD is 2nd rank. Yeah, SIIB is 3rd, and SIBM Bangalore, which is not here. SIBM Bangalore is ranked 4th. So these are the top 4 colleges which I would recommend to apply in case you want to apply. So I'll make a separate video for their cutoff and ranking. But these are the 4 colleges which you can apply. SIBM, SCMHRD, SIIB and SIBM Bangalore. This is Pune. Okay, now come the main problem area. Okay, now problem is that I don't know whether I'll be able to clear the cutoff or not. See, today, of course, when you're starting for the SNAP preparation, we will perform good. We'll get 40 marks out of 60, which is the cutoff. But this is my expected cutoff for all the colleges. 30 to 32. Now, we don't know whether you'll be able to touch this number or not. So why to apply now? Why to apply on the last date, that is November 28th, 1 day before the CAT exam? So my advice is only fill the SNAP form. Do not fill the college form for the time being. Every college have a separate dates. Okay, for example, this is I've taken from the SIBM site, SIBM Pune. So their dates. See, everywhere they're saying is SNAP dates. SNAP date, this, that, we just talked about that. Last date to apply, registration closes on November 28th. That is only for the SNAP exam. For the colleges, your result, this is still here. Per college for 1,000 rupees. We all know that part. Now come the main part. Important date for SIBM Pune. Now this is for the SIBM dates. Online registration is till December 19th. Last day to apply is December 19th for the college, not November 28th only for the SNAP exam. Do not fill the colleges form now. Fill the form on December 19th for SNAP. हर कॉलेज का डेट्स अलग होगा. दिस इज फॉर SIBM. सेम वे फॉर SITM टेलीकॉम वाला, उनका लास्ट डेट अगेन दे विल टॉक अबाउट स्नैप एवरीवेयर. देन स्टार्ट द रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर द कॉलेज. Their last date is January 21. By the time I have the result out for CAT, SNAP, NMET, all the exams, result is also out. Yeah, then I can decide whether to apply or not to apply. So her college ka date is going to be separate. Every college on the list have a separate date. Okay, only SNAP, SIBM Pune, the top colleges. Yeah, top college के नखरे ज़्यादा होते हैं. SIBM Pune एंड SMHRD, इनका डेट जल्दी होगा. वो भी अभी लेट है देखा जाए तो. या दे आर गिविंग यू द टाइम टिल December टू अप्लाई. सो विल अप्लाई आफ्टरवर्ड्स. So my advice is very simple. Apply for the SNAP exam. Pay 1700 only. They will ask you to pay for the college, this and that. They'll tell you that November 28th is the last date, this and that. नहीं. Colleges का last date is individual application. You can apply now also. You can apply later also by paying 1000 rupees. So we'll be buying 2 or 3 forms depending upon how much we are scoring in the mock. So last 5 mock score in December, 1 week before the SNAP exam, will decide in the last 5 mocks how much I'm scoring, then I decide. Suppose my last 5 mock scores are this. Now, कभी 38 लाइफ में टच नहीं हुआ and last 2-3 days, 1 week or 1-5 days, I can't improve. If you think you can't improve that level, why to waste my money on SIBM? Rather than applying for SIBM, I apply for some other college or at least save 1000 rupees. ठीक है, तो वो नवंबर में will apply. I'll keep a dedicated workshop for that. The SNAP exam, SNAP college application. Wait for that. अभी apply मत करो. नवंबर में we will see. दिसंबर में आके नवंबर एंड दिसंबर में आके 1 week before the SNAP exam. So December 5 to December 12th. This week, whichever mock you will be giving, we'll look at those scores, then apply. Okay. अभी के लिए in case you want to join our program for the SNAP exam, you are most welcome to join our program. You can just call us on any of the numbers given here and talk to our team for mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join for SNAP. All right. All the best.